Welcome to our comparison of the Hohem iSteady M6 and M7 gimbals. Today, we'll dive into the features that set these two popular gimbals apart. The M6 is known for its long battery life and affordability, while the M7 boasts advanced features like a detachable touchscreen remote and an extension rod. Let's find out which one is the better choice for your videography needs. When it comes to pricing, the Hohem iSteady M6 is priced at $229, making it a more budget-friendly option for those looking to get into gimbal stabilization. On the other hand, the iSteady M7 comes with a higher price tag of $299, reflecting its advanced features and capabilities. If you're looking for value, the M6 might be the way to go, but if you need the latest technology, the M7 could be worth the investment. One of the standout features of the iSteady M7 is its detachable 1.4-inch touchscreen remote, allowing for easy control from a distance of up to 10 meters. This feature is particularly useful for solo creators who need to start and stop recording without assistance. In contrast, the M6 lacks this remote control option, which may limit its usability for some users. The convenience of the M7's touchscreen remote can greatly enhance your filming experience. Battery life is crucial for any videographer, and here the iSteady M6 shines with an impressive 18-hour battery life. This means you can shoot for longer periods without worrying about recharging. In contrast, the M7 offers a shorter battery life of 12 hours, which, while still decent, may require more frequent charging during extended shoots. If long filming sessions are important to you, the M6 could be the better choice. In conclusion, both the Hohem iSteady M6 and M7 gimbals offer excellent stabilization and features for content creators. The M6 is a fantastic option for those on a budget, while the M7 provides advanced functionalities that may appeal to serious videographers. Consider your filming needs and budget before making a decision. If you found this comparison helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content.